All right, day one, doubles. We got 6 games. Is this the long pattern first?
No.
Okay, 6 games, short pattern first, and then little 2-hour break, and then
grind along.
yeah,
right?
post a huge number with our purple hammers.
Plus 10.
Like plus 10 a piece. Maybe just plus 10 overall, and then ball in the long, grind it out, and hopefully we can sneak into the top 16. I'll see you guys on the lanes.
I didn't think he was going to ball change on the spare shot. He is ball changing on the spare shot. Always trust in Norm.
Well, everyone who just likes this owes Mitch 20 bucks. All right, so Norm Duke just changed balls to shoot a split and made it?
We're doing it wrong.
What the fuck?
Why would you use a spare ball or a ball you're shooting your spares with?
We're 3 games in though, and we're physically bowling well. The scores don't show the amount of effort that we're putting in.
A lot of 9. too much 9.
A lot of 9, but at least it's not a lot of red circles. It's just a lot of 9.
Yeah, like no red circle, like 2 red circles, 3 red circles.
3 red circles through 3 games for both of us combined, so not terrible. Just need more strikes this game. Let's go.
First 6 games are done, and I just asked Chris and Pack, are they hard or are they easy? And I hate when I have to ask that and I have no clue. What do you think, Chris?
I think they are really difficult to get the corners out. Also, your camera's in the worst possible spot because I can't see them.
Oh, well, you know, driving isn't that important. This is way more important. The people need to know.
Yeah, I mean, the first game I caught a tough pair where my right lane did not hook off of, like, right of 5. So if I got my ball to 4, it missed the headpin to the right, and if I hit 6, it went runaway Brooklyn. So really tough to, you know, plan around that. But, oh, Andrew's calling. Hi, buddy.
Rude. Anyway, guys,
Hey.
Pack?
Hey, what's up?
They're hard to strike. Not
Hello?
hard, not hard to hit the pocket, hard to strike.
Yeah. Are you guys going to eat tomorrow?
Yeah,
Anyways.
we're going to Potbellies.
We're going to
Just
What?
answer his phone
Pot
whenever you
bellies.
want. 6 games done. No one bowled that
You
good.
want to join us?
See you guys after the next 6.